Hi guys, this is Corey with Sellercore.com, the free auction template editor. We've been talking about the CSS editor found in the free Sellercore software. We've touched on text effects, borders, backgrounds, sizing items, and all the other tabs. So finally we have saved CSS. So this is a quick way to maneuver around the software to get things done, especially if you reuse the same headers and the same styles for a lot of your different templates. So our template, like before, I have Sellercore CSS is awesome inside a real basic div, and except for in this one I created 3 of them to space down a little bit, and I have just says number 1, number 2, number 3 to show you that you can put different items in here. This just changes the CSS behind it. So start like we did the other ones. I'm gonna double click in here, edit CSS style. We go to our saved CSS tab. You can see there's nothing in here. We have our Save CSS button that I haven't mentioned before, our preview, and currently no CSS being applied. So let's say that we're going in here and we're creating a header or something. Going to just make this bold, blue, put a background on it, make it white. I know the colors. I'm just going to type it in there. Spacing 15. Border, and we'll center of text. So let's say that this is what I have and I like it, but I'm not sure if this is what I want to keep. I have the option of saving CSS. Now I can click this anytime I want, but I'm gonna click on a tab to show you that it drops it in there. When I click on this, our CSS that we currently have right here, it saves this for us. So from here I could go in and let's say I want to try a different color. I want to make a purple. So I could go in there, I can save that one, and then if I go back to this, you can see that's my second one was added, but if I scroll over this, it changes back to a blue. So of course I can go as crazy as I want with this, put a box shadow on. If I were to save that, it creates its third one, and let's say I'm not crazy about the purple. I can go over here and I can drop it off. So basically this just gives me an easy way of saving styles that I like, so I can reuse them or I can test against them with other styles. So if I were to go through with this one, say I want this one back, all I gotta do is click on it and then all of a sudden I have that again. Or if I want to jump to that, so click on that one, we'll go with this. Now up here you'll see that we have a drop down. When I click inside of an element, it lets me drop down, and we have saved 1 and saved 2. It gives me a little example of what's in there. You can read through that. So if I'm clicked inside of this, all I have to do is drop down, click on 2, and there's our other item. So we have another option here. So if I were to change my color somewhere, we'll make this a red. Let's say that I changed it somewhere else. I decide I like this. I can just double click in there, click Save CSS Style. Of course that gives us a third option up there, but also gives us the option if I go and edit CSS text, go to our saved, now our third option's in there. I can just simply click on that, hit OK, and there it is. Saves me a lot of extra programming, and I can also take this to a whole nother tab as long as I haven't closed my editor off. It's the same thing as before. Could double click in there. They're still up here, so all you gotta do is simply click on that. So I can work on many documents across. All the text can be different. This one says Save CSS, so it doesn't change the text that's inside of it. It just changes the CSS around it. All right, guys, this is Corey with Sellercore.com, the free auction template editor. Please leave any questions or comments below. Thank you.